Uh, yeah, I apologize. I don't know what happened. My phone.
It's okay, Mr. Marshall. It's okay. We can just move on. Mr. Marshall, I have the original ticket in my hand now. I show on here in my handwriting that on the date of June the 9th, you were offered a 12-month delayed sentence. That simply means that in 12 months, if you paid a fine of $225 and you did not pick up any other tickets, that matter would be dismissed and it would not be on your record. I show that you accepted that, and I gave you a date that of review date of 6/10. I said if you did not pick up any other cases, you would not have to come back. It would just be dismissed on that date. Now, you say you didn't do it, but I have my own handwriting in here. This is not just something that's in the computer, where I talked to you on that date and you accepted that offer. So I don't know what you're remembering, but like I said, I have it here in my hand with my writing on it. So I know what I said and I know what I wrote in the file. And that corresponds with I have the offer in here where it came from the prosecutor that said they would offer a 12-month sentence. So everything coincides. The offer from the prosecution, which the court doesn't make the offer, the prosecutor makes the offer. So they offered 12 months, and I wrote in here that you accepted it, and that on the date of from that day, June the 9th, on June the 10th, a year later, it would be dismissed and not on your record. You would not have to come back in. So now, if you're saying you didn't do that, if you want to go back and you want to have a trial or do something like that, then you're welcome to do that, sir, because I know what I wrote in here, you dispute it. So I don't know what you want, and I'm not sure what you could get better than that, but so.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Free to speak, sir?
Yes.
I just didn't want to interrupt you.
That's fine.
So again, I was presented with the offer. I did decline and request to have a bench trial that was supposed to start today.
No, sir, we don't have anything scheduled for you today for a trial. We don't have anything scheduled for you at all today. So that means I would have had to hear it wrong. The clerk would have had to hear it wrong because the clerk would have put it in the computer for a trial today. So, and it's nothing scheduled in the trial today because the file shows that you took a plea. So, and now we can go back and we can redo, change this, wipe it out. You said you wanted a trial. We still give you a trial, sir.
Okay, well, I would like to do that. I'm not sure where the mix-up happened. So I apologize for any inconvenience.
No, you don't have to apologize, sir. Stuff it happens. So we'll just have to give you a new trial date. We couldn't do it today because we don't have anybody scheduled to come in here for a trial today. That means the officers haven't been notified. So we'll give you just said, raise your right hand, sir. Let me do this. State your full name.
Curtis Marshall.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you can put your hand down. Sir, you understand, and I'm going to put this all on the record. This is case number P1411439, the People versus Titus Marshall, Titus Marshall, Marshall. Mr. Marshall, you charged with one count of discharge of a firearm. The people offered you a 12-month delayed sentence, and you've indicated that, and in my recollection and my notes say that you accepted that, but you're indicating now you want to go to trial. You understand if you go to trial, sir, and you are found guilty, you will have that on your record. That will not be a 12-month delayed sentence. That will be on your record. But I can give you, sir, and let me say this. You said you wanted a bench trial. Do you understand the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial?
I am aware, Your Honor.
Okay. And it is your decision to have a bench trial, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I can give you a date, sir, of September the 8th. September the 8th at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. That's what you gave me.
I know. Give him August the 15th since he said he's already set the trial us before. So
Okay, we can get the people
yeah,
in.
it's enough time. It's enough weeks.
Okay, we can give you an earlier date, sir, since there's a mix up here. August the what?
15th.
August the 15th at 9 a.m.
That's fine.
Okay, so you come out here on that date, sir. If you have any witnesses or anybody that you want to testify on your behalf, you just have them come out on Zoom on that day. This is going to be on Zoom. You have them come out here on that date. But the first thing you have to do and they have to do is let me know that they do not have a case in this courtroom on that date, that they're just here to be witnesses. Because when we check our sheet to see who's scheduled on that day, I'm going to see names that I don't recognize. So we tell them they don't have anything on the docket. They're going to be here for your witness, and we'll just place them in a room, and they can wait until we're ready to call your trial. All right, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, so, any of your witnesses or any witnesses you may have, they have to be in a separate location. They cannot be any place where in a different building. They cannot be any place where you can hear them or they can hear you testify. All right, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we'll see you on that date.
Thank you. And that is August 15th, 9 o'clock, right?
That's correct.
Thank you, sir.
Attorney Murad, I see we're back on your case. Did your client get a chance to get that tent removed off her vehicle?
15.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
And this is the date she wrote down?
Attorney Bradfield was speaking to you. I don't know if you're here.
I didn't hear her.
Okay. She was saying good morning.
Good morning, counsel. How are you today?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Well, I don't actually see you, but it's always good to hear your voice at the very least.
Thank you, thank you. I do have some ready for the record if you want it.
Very well. Just give me 1 second. I'm doing some paperwork on another one. So.
No problem.
Crystal, I just copied you on an attorney was like.
Yeah, I saw it. I haven't read it yet.
She was saying it's in German. When I look back at the subject, the person's in press, but she said it's in here.
I'll check.
So I just. She made me Wagner, so I didn't look at it.
Attorney Bradfield, I'll send you a message, but I don't know if you got it or not, because I know you're busy. For Morgan, it looks like both of his tickets, he already paid to him. He just, he always fires and costs.
I'm sorry, for who?
Morgan, he's in room number 9.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Kiera McGowan, is she out?
I don't know if Attorney Bradfield brought him out yet.
Um,
That was a dismissal.
Yeah,
Who else did you have that
let's see. McDade. You brought who out?
I brought McCade out.
McDade. McDade.
Sir.
Okay, Mr. McDade. Mr. McDade.
Yes, sir.
State, let's see. Turn your camera on, sir. All right, Mr. McDade, this is, state your full name, sir.
Zachary Ryan McDade.
All right, Mr. McDade, you have ticket number P1262671, the People versus Zachary, ZACHARY, McDade, McDade. Mr. McDade, on this ticket, you have 2 counts. Count 1 is driver license suspended. Count 2 is no insurance. Both are misdemeanors. You also have, let's see. You also have ticket number 204355554. You have drive with no operator's license. Mr. McDade, you have now presented valid license and you have insurance because you are now compliant. The people have moved to dismiss that. Mr. McDade, you do have 2 other tickets that are in default status, and they are default status, and there is no offers made on those. You just have to take care of them. They're civil infractions. The civil infractions go into default if you don't take care of them within a certain period of time. The people will go back and make you an offer on it on a ticket that's a year old or so, but this is from 2021, so they will not address it now. You have a speeding ticket, driving 21 to 25 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, and you have a tinted window civil infraction. Those will be out there, sir, until you just go out there and pay them. There is no offer made for those.
Okay.
So you can go out on the court website, or you can come down to the court and you can address those civil infractions and pay them, and that will take them off your out of the system. But they will be out there because there's no offer being made on those.
Okay.
But the other tickets you had, the misdemeanor tickets, they're dismissed.
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck to you, sir.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.
Didn't get the young lady to come out the breakout room. She not coming out. Said it her sick.
Yeah. It should be a thing that we just, if we do that, we should be able to just pull them out, not for them to agree to come out.
Jackson, what's your CSR number?
My CSR number,
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, CSR 0104.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chris. Attorney Bradfield,
Yes, Your Honor.
we have a number of people that we need your assistance on to bring them out of the courtroom. Out of the breakout rooms. We've sent signals that have some, because we'll have one that's a dismissal, Ms. Kiera McGowan, but I couldn't bring her out while you were in there, so we could call the case.
Okay, I'll do that, Your Honor.
Oh, shoot, I meant to tell her to bring the other people out too. Miss May. Miss Kiera McGowan, turn your camera on. Unmute your microphone. Miss Kiera McGowan, unmute your microphone. All right, thank you. Ms. McGowan, state your full name, please.
Kiera McGowan.
All right, Ms. McGowan, you have ticket number P1401254, the People versus Kiara, Kiara McGowan, McGowan. Ms. McGowan, you have one count of misdemeanor for no insurance. You have provided documentation. You are current, and because you now have valid documentation, this matter is dismissed. You can sign off. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see, who else do we have out here now? This one. Alexis Monet,
Yes, good morning.
good morning.
Good
I
morning,
need you to, are you represented by counsel?
I believe so.
It's on it, yeah.
Oh, okay. No, attorney. Did she leave?
I think she went back into the breakout room.
Oh, okay. I gotta wait for the attorney to come back out, the House counsel. I thought someone else said something while we were talking. As soon as the attorney comes back into the room, we can call your case.
Okay.
Yep, she went back in. Attorney Bradfield, I'm ready to call a couple of cases. Did she leave? She left again? Okay. All right, people, ladies and gentlemen, we have to have the attorney out here when I call your cases. She's gone back into the breakout room. As soon as she comes back, I'm gonna get some of you out of here. Attorney Bradfield.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I've got a couple of cases ready to call. Alexis Monet, unmute your microphone, state your full name.
Alexis Monet.
All right. You know what? Let me do this again. I need you to state your full name again and raise your right hand first. Raise your right hand, state your full name.
Alexis Monet.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Ms. Monet, you have ticket number P1447824, the People versus Alexis, Alexis, Monet, Monette. You're charged with one count. It is a misdemeanor. It says smoking marijuana within a passenger area of a vehicle upon a public highway. The people have made an offer. Yeah, they did. Maybe not. I don't see a. Is this a state charge? Okay, I thought there was an offer on this, but I don't see one.
They want a bench trial.
Ah, that's what it was. Ms. Monet, you had an opportunity to speak with counsel, is that correct?
Correct.
And you indicated that you wanted to have a trial. Specifically, you wanted to have a bench trial. Is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
You had an opportunity to discuss the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial?
Yes.
And it's your decision to have a bench trial, is that correct?
Correct.
All right, now, Ms. Monet, we can give you a trial. Your trial date will be September the 8th, at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. If you have any witnesses or anyone you want to come in and testify on your behalf, you can have them come out here on Zoom on that day. Your trial is going to be on Zoom. You can have them come out on Zoom as well. We will separate you and that person, put them in a room until we call the case and have them come out when they're ready to testify. When you have your witnesses come out, they cannot be at your location. They have to be someplace separate, apart, where you cannot hear each other speak when you testify. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll see you on September the 8th, ma'am, September the 8th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Mr. McDonald, raise your right hand. State your full name, please. State your full name.
McDonald.
All right. Mr. McDonald, you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, sir. Mr. McDonald, you have ticket number P1469327, the People versus Samaj, SEMAJ, McDonald, McDonald. Mr. McDonald, under this ticket number, you have 3 counts. Count 1 is no insurance. That is a misdemeanor. Count 2 is driver's license never acquired. That is a misdemeanor. And count 3 is driving an unregistered motor vehicle. That is a misdemeanor as well. The people have made an offer, sir. They would dismiss 2 charges if you pled to the driver's license never acquired ticket, and they would amend and reduce that to fail to display. Lowest license charge there is. That's a charge that would suggest that you did have a driver's license, even though actually you didn't. It's just a way of lowering the charge to fail to display. That suggests that you just didn't have your license on you at that time. And the other 2 matters would be dismissed. Do you want to take advantage of that today, sir, or do you want to set this for trial?
So with that, would that stop? So if I was to take that, would that stop me from being up? Because I had one more matter to solve before I go get my license. So would that stop me from being?
So we're not the Secretary of State. All you can do is resolve them here. I have no idea what else you might have to do with the Secretary of State. This court is only for Detroit. You can have a license, a ticket in Flint or Saginaw or Livonia, of Southfield, I won't know anything about your driving record, sir. I can only say we could take care of these tickets. And if that's all you have, then you could go to the Secretary of State and do what you have to do.
Mr. McDonald, I spoke to you at length in regards to, about your license and the effect that it can
Right.
have on your license.
Okay, so I'm gonna take it to bench trial.
Very well. You understand you do have a right to have a jury trial as well. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We'll set you up for a bench trial, sir. You do understand if you go to bench trial, people were dismissing 2 charges today and reducing it. If you go to trial, it's all as charged. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, sir. We're going to give you a bench trial for the date of September the 8th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
You had any witnesses, you can have them come out there with, and on Zoom on the same day. They cannot come out there from the same location as you. They have to have their own location. They cannot hear, you cannot hear them. All right?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. You can sign off, sir. We'll see you back on September 8th. That you type in, Ms. Attorney Bradfield?
Yeah, sure. I'm sorry.
That's quite all right. Tiffany Mills, I need your microphone. State your full name, please.
Tiffany Mills.
All right, Ms. Mills, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Ms. Mills, you have ticket number P11511461, the People versus Tiffany, Tiffany, Mills, Mills. Ms. Mills, you're charged with driving without a valid license. You also have ticket number 17361519, drive a vehicle without a valid license. And lastly, you have P11511458. You have a civil infraction for expired plates. That ticket is from 2021. That is in default. This ticket will not be part of the offer because the ticket is old. Civil infractions must be taken care of within 14 days. This is from 2021. They do not make offers on those, so you'll have to just pay that fine. And the other 2 tickets, both are driving without a valid license. They've indicated they will dismiss one and reduce the other to fail to display a valid license. You understand the offer, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you want to take advantage of that today, or do you want to set these for trial?
Yes. No, I'll take advantage of that.
You'll take the offer. All right, Ms. Mills, I already swore you in. You understand that you have a constitutional right and absolute right to go to trial. If you went to trial, the prosecution would have to put evidence on the record. That evidence would have to rise to a level of proof beyond a reasonable doubt before a judge or a jury could find you guilty. You would have the opportunity to challenge all the evidence, cross-examine any witnesses. If there was any physical evidence, you'd have the right to have that examined as well. You'd have the right to call witnesses on your own behalf, introduce any other evidence you might think is pertinent. But if you plead guilty, you give up those rights to challenge it. You understand that? You understand that, Ms. Mills?
Yes. Can you hear me? Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you. And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, ma'am?
Yes.
Ms. Miles, on ticket number P11511461, on the date of January the 5th of 2021, were you driving a motor vehicle in the area of Woodward and West Elizabeth in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you have a valid license at that time?
No.
Court will find you guilty of the amended and reduced charge of fail to display. The other ticket, 173615519, will be dismissed at this time. Your fine, ma'am, is $225. $225. Can you pay that right away, or do you need time?
Can I get time? Like,
You
how
can
long
have
do y'all
time,
have?
ma'am. That's why I
How long
asked
do I have
you.
to pay?
How much time do
okay.
you need? Tell me, hold on, ma'am. Tell me what you need. Do not
30
give
days?
me,
30 days will be fine.
ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am, but you gotta let me finish. You don't just start talking while in the middle while I'm talking. I was gonna say, tell me what you need and not necessarily what you think I will give you. If you need 30 days, I can give you that. If you need 60 days, I can give you that. I can't hear you.
Okay, sorry. I said 30 days will be fine.
All right, 30 days from today's date, ma'am, will be August 26th. August 26th. Just pay it by that date. You do not have to pay it all at one time. You don't have to pay it on August 26th. You gotta say it's on or before. So you can break it up in increments if you need to. However you want to do it. As long as August the 24th, 26th rather, as long as on that date, the entire amount is paid.
Okay, thank you.
If you know how and where to pay, you're all set. If you need me to tell you how and where to pay, we can do that as well.
No, I know I could go to the kiosk. Thank you so much.
Right then. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Corporal Williams, you're free to go. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you too.
Stay safe out there, sir. Miss May, unmute your microphone, state your full name, please. One must be a state ticket because there's 4 tickets here. I'm sorry, you were breaking up, ma'am. State your full name.
Shaughnessy May.
Shaughnessy May. Okay. All right, Miss May, let me check one thing here. This is
Your Honor, just for purpose of the record, Daphne Bradfield, P70578. Yes, one is a state matter. I did speak to APA Cole, and she said it's a plea as charged to improper place for hers.
okay. All right. Miss May, raise your right hand. State your full name again, please.
Shaughnessy May.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, Miss May. Miss May, you understand you have a Well, let me tell you what all your tickets are. You have ticket number SP 129213363, the People versus Shaughnessy, SHAWNACIE, May. Ms. May, on this ticket, you have a misdemeanor for driving an unregistered or entitled vehicle. You also have SP 125208001, no insurance. Let's see. SP 129213362, no insurance, misdemeanor. And lastly, ma'am, you have SP 1292131, improper plates. Ma'am, do you have a registered vehicle now?
No. Yes, but
Okay.
I don't. Yes, I do, but it's not in my possession. I'm not driving.
No, I'm not asking what possession. Do you have documents that say you have a registered vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And do you have insurance for that vehicle as well?
Yes.
Can you show me the documents?
I have it on my phone. Progressive.
Okay, ma'am, what I need you to do, I'm going to give you an email address. Could you send it to this email address?
Yes.
It's CTRM, that's short for courtroom, CTRM
Mm-hmm.
3331
Mm-hmm.
at 36TH District
Mm-hmm.
Court, DISTRICT Court, COURT dot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's it. Send it to that address, ma'am.
Okay.
You go ahead and mute your microphone. When I get those documents in, we'll call you back.
Okay.
Well, I'll recall your case. Now you can mute your microphone.
Can you say it to me one more time?
Yes, ma'am. It is CTRM 331 at the at sign
Mm-hmm.
3636TH
Mhm.
districtcourt.org.
Okay.
I don't know, Attorney Moran is ready to go on this case, and then we have another retained attorney.
Yeah, I see Attorney Cripple.
Good morning, counsel. What case are you here for?
Good morning. I'm standing in for Muhammad Nasser on DeCondria Dixon.
Okay. She's in the breakout room. Do you need to speak with her? What are we doing? Are we taking a plea? Are we sending for another pretrial?
I think we're setting up for another pretrial because at this time we're still in the midst of plea negotiations. Mr. Nasser is putting together a mitigation package and submitting additional documents to the prosecutor's office.
Okay.
I can speak with them in a breakout room though. I'm more than willing to.
Okay, if you go and we'll give you put you in there with her. When you come out, tell her, bring her out with you as well.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put you in room number 2. That's where she's at.
Okay.
Ms. Vixen, if you tap on your screen, you'll see like three, okay, both of you guys came out. Okay, I'm gonna just put both of you back into the breakout room.
Sorry.
No problem.
Sorry, Madam Clerk.
It's not a problem.
Attorney Murad.
There he goes.
Morning, Judge. Morning, everybody.
Right. Good morning to you, good sir.
Good morning. Great morning, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Your client is not present. You're waiving their presence?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. This is case number SX 422-92511, the people versus, is that Megan, M-A-G-A-N, Murad, M-O-U-R-A-D. Attorney Murad, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Murad, PA3665 on behalf of Megan Murad, Judge. I've talked to Attorney Cole on this matter. I've advised that Megan Murad has since removed those tints. She was asking that this case be dismissed. I concur with that motion and ask the court to dismiss this matter.
Very well. No, I didn't think you would, if the prosecutor is moving to dismiss it, I didn't think that you you were going to disagree with that.
No
But I
objection
object.
on my end. Absolutely not.
All right. That's some fine lawyering, sir. Fine lawyering.
Thank you, Judge. I'll let her know.
All right. Counsel, this matter is dismissed. Good luck to you. Stay safe.
Thanks, Judge. Good to see you.
And Your Honor, we still have Mr. Macon, Marcus Macon.
Thank you, counsel. I'm slipping here.
No problem.
Sir, Mr. Macon, unmute your microphone. Turn your camera on. All right, Mr. Macon, I need you to raise your right hand, state your full name.
Marcus Macon.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth, sir?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Mr. Macon, you have ticket number P1448898, People versus Marcus, M-A-R-C-U-S, Macon, M-A-C-O-N. Mr. Macon, you have two tickets. One is a misdemeanor, one is a civil infraction. The misdemeanor charge is driving with a revoked license. The civil infraction is driving 21 to 25 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. The people have indicated that. Okay, Council, did you talk to Attorney Rogers?
Not in regards to this matter. I just let her know that he'll be asking for an adjournment of his pretrial so he could take the driver improvement course and bring
Very
back
well.
the certificate of completion.
Very well. All right, Mr. Macon, I appreciate that you want to do something to better your situation, and that's a good thing to do. You do understand when you look for the driver improvement course, you have to go to the Secretary of State and you have to get a course that ends with .gov. You understand that? There's a lot of private driver improvement courses out there, but this court accepts the ones that are offered by the Secretary of State.
So I have to go to the Secretary of State, that's what you're saying?
Yep, you can't just go to a local driver improvement class. You have to go through the Secretary of State. You go online and you Google driver improvement courses. They'll give you a list of them. You click on one, you take one of them, and when you finish it's an online class. When you finish it, they'll give you a certificate of completion. And you'll print that out or email it to yourself, and then when you come to court, you email it to us, so we'll have proof that you completed the course. And then whatever better deal that the prosecution going to give you, you'll have proof that you took the course.
Okay, because the attorney, we discussed the one is she sent me the website. Is that the one I should still be?
I sent him another one, Your Honor. I didn't know that your courtroom only accepted ones. They never.
Well, that's what the city attorney tells me. They said they accept the courses that are .gov courses.
Gotcha. Okay.
I think she would take that.
Now, I don't know which one. There probably are some other ones that they will accept. I just don't know what they are. And the one that she always indicates when she's in the courtroom, the assistant corporate counsel are the ones that end with a .gov. That way you can be sure and safe that it's so. And we can always ask, I don't know which one you suggested. I don't know, and other prosecutors in other courtrooms may do it differently, but Ms. Rogers always says the .gov one, so.
You understand that, Mr. Macon?
Yes.
All right, so what day are we gonna come back? How much time do you need, Mr. Macon?
Oh, as soon as I can get an appointment and get in the Secretary of State out.
We just give you another pretrial date. Since it's online, it's not like you got to go in and see anyone. So you just go ahead and register online and take it right then, or however quickly you want to do it. Okay. So since it's not a proctored course, so you just self-paced. It's not a problem doing it anytime. Okay. Do it at 1 o'clock in the morning or so. So, all right. So we'll give you another date to come back so you can have that with you, armed with that. We'll give you, okay. How about we just give you 30 days, sir? How about that?
Sounds good.
So August the 26th?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll see you on that date, sir. Do you have our email address, sir?
I believe she put it in the chat box. My phone just died. Let me write it down. 1 second. All right. Go ahead. Okay,
it's C as in cat, TRM. That's just short for courtroom. CTRM. 331 at 3636th District Court. .org.
Districtcourt.org.
Yes, sir. And what you do, you send that to us the day before your court day. So I don't have to look back for a month through dates and times. I could just look at the date before and see that you've sent it to us.
And is it a time for the court date?
You come in at 8:30, sir.
8:30 on August 26th.
Yes, sir.
All right, sounds good.
And if we have your document the day before, hopefully we'll be able to give it to the prosecutor so she can reduce your charge then. And then when you come to court, we're all set.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. All right, Mr. Macon, we'll see you on the 26th.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
All right.
See
Thank
you
you.
there.
Counsel, you ready on your case?
I just had one question. I don't know if it's in the file, or if it's been put on the record, but has there been a plea offer in this case?
You got the mixer? No, you don't. Let's see. No, as of right now, she put as charged.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell him that really fast, and then we'll be good to go on the record. And I'll pull him out when I've done with that.
All right, thank you.
Awesome.
Okay, thank you. I don't know if Ms. May sent the information.
Unless it came from another name on the email. Let's see.
The last thing I have out here is from last Monday.
Yep, I agree. That's what I see. Terrell Miller.
Yeah.
All right. Shanice May. Or Shanice. Ma'am, did you send the information? Because we
Yes.
didn't receive it.
I sent you the one that I got. I sent you the one that I got, but since I haven't drove that car, they said the insurance was canceled April 30th of 2023.
Hold on one
So
second.
I
ma'am.
just
Hold on one second. April 30th, 2023 would have been good because the offense date was before that. So let's see.
okay, I just sent it to you.
But I didn't receive anything from you.
Miss May, Miss May, this is the clerk. I just sent you a chat message with the email address. So just in case, I don't know, you might have mistyped something but that's how.
Okay, hold on one second. It's safe. Okay, I'm gonna send it one more time. I sent it. Let me look my chat. Right, it's right here. Did it send? Okay, no, it didn't send. Okay, it's right here. I just sent it now. There you go. You got it?
Let me check.
It takes a few seconds to get here. So
Okay.
Ms. May, does it show that it's sent? Because I don't see anything.
Hold on 1 second. I'm doing something to it now because it's not saying it was too big. So now
It's too big.
it was too. Yeah, I had to smaller it. Okay, now look now. I just sent it again. It say this username or password. I'm typing it in, right?
That's why I said I sent it to you. Did you just get it? That way maybe you could just click on it and then.
Hold on. Okay, no. Just can you do it to me like this? Just so I'm gonna just type it in as you send it to me.
She said,
CR331 at District Court, right?
36 TH.
Oh, okay. I see what I did. Okay. Got it. Okay. Got order.
just copy the one you have,
I am.
resent you,
I
and then
just did
paste it.
that. Okay. There you go. Medium. There you go. All done. I don't know why it's not coming through. Okay, I just sent it in the replies in the group to you. I just sent it. You sent me the email. I sent the picture back to you.
We're ready to go on Mixon whenever the court is ready.
1 second, counsel.
Absolutely. Whenever the court is ready.
All right. And what was that, insurance? Okay, that was insurance. She was supposed to send proper, the registration, insurance plates were proper too, but you know what? Okay. All right, ma'am.
Yes.
You sent that you had insurance. Did you send us something that showed your plates, your vehicle was registered?
The title was at home. I can send. I mean, we could just move forward with it. I'll get it over with.
Hold on, ma'am. I'm gonna come right back to you. I'm coming right back to you. Hold on. What do we have?
We have attorney for Mixon.
Is that crap? Excuse me. Attorney Crapo, you have Mixon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Mr. Mixon, raise your right hand, state your full name.
Nicardia Mixon.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. You may lower your hand. Mr. Mixon, you have ticket number, let's see, I got multiple, no, same thing. You have ticket number Z80888101 to People versus DeCondia, DECONDIA, Mixon, MIXON, the second. Mr. Mixon, you're charged with one count of operating while intoxicated, first offense. Attorney?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, your staff. Caitlin Crapo, P86272 on behalf of Mr. Mixon, standing in with express permission for the attorney of record, Mohammed Nasser. At this time, I believe today is a date and time set for a pretrial. We would just ask for an additional pretrial date in order for Attorney Nasser to submit a mitigation package to work on plea negotiations.
How much time do you need, counsel? Or how much time does Attorney Nasser need? 30 days?
Mr. Nasser, apologies. I apologize. What did you say?
I said, how much time does he need? 30 days, 60 days, or what does he need?
Between 30 and 45 days is great. I'm just checking his calendar now. Is there a date that the court has in mind?
August 26th of 30 days. If you need more than that, I can give him something.
Wait, August 26th is a Saturday, I believe, Your Honor. We could do August 28th.
Okay.
August 28th. You're absolutely right. It is a Saturday.
Okay.
I get confused.
Apologies, Your Honor. Mr. Nasser will be in a jury trial on the 28th. Let me look at the 29th. I apologize.
Okay.
I hope he has a jury trial on the 29th.
Well, if it's a jury trial on that date, we don't want to push. We could take it out another 2 weeks or something like that.
Okay. So would we want to look at the 4th? Or no, the 4th is the 11th.
Let's see. September. How about, let's see, August 26th. Let's see, we didn't do that. I mean, no, 28th, we didn't do that. How about September the 18th?
Yeah, September the 18th looks great.
Okay. All right. We'll adjourn this matter till September the 18th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Mixon, did you get the date?
Yes, September 18th.
Perfect. Your staff.
Okay, you're all set. You can sign off. We'll see you then. It's good to see you, counsel.
Good to see you as well. And I just absolutely adore that you pronounced my last name right.
Oh, I see. Hardy, right? Hardy.
Crapo, because it's French, so it's like a.
Yes, indeed. And the other way to pronounce it just doesn't sound very good. No, not with the soft A. So, okay. All right. You have a great day.
Yeah, you too. And great day to you as well. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
No problem.
All right, Miss May. Did we lose her?
I thought you just missed her.
I thought I said I'd come back to it because I wanted to get the attorney out.
Oh,
That's-
good, you did.
Is that her in the iPhone? In the way
I've
you
been
mean?
I've been trying to get that person to connect their audio, so I'll let them. Should this person want to chat this?
Well, we got somebody out here, Attorney Bradfield, we're just trying to get them to connect up their audio, so.
Okay.
I'm hungry today, Crystal. You got me. What should we get? What should we get to eat?
Person that finally have your audio connected, what is your name? What is your name, sir? Or ma'am, I can't see that you don't have the camera all the way on your face.
Terrell Marshall.
Mr. Marshall, you have to stand still. You can't just walk like that. You're in court. It gets too disruptive. The sound varies in and out. Just stand still until we can do your case, sir.
I'm trying to find a charger so the phone don't die.
Well, we can hear you. Oh, sir, why wouldn't you do that before you come on? You know.
Shanice.
I see her. Miss May.
Yes.
All right. This is ticket number SP1. Well, we called all your cases, ma'am. Your matters are dismissed. Good luck to you. You can sign off.
Thank you.
Attorney Bradfield, Mr. Marshall, case was adjourned for him to take a driver's improvement course. So, I can put you two in the breakout room if you want to talk to him to see, what's the status of that.
Okay, so he's supposed to have the proof today? Okay, thanks.
I'll send you a copy of the offer because it's quite a few tickets.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. I put them in room number 1 for tolling. So.
Okay.
Oh, my cousin had this friend. I say had because it was just years ago. I don't know where the person is, and I don't know if they're friends anymore. But she was, as you say, a brick house.
Madam Clerk, let me know if that certificate of completion comes through. Without him taking the course.
Attorney Bradfield, I got it.
Okay, great. So we just need Ms. Rogers back.
Okay, I'll text you.
Thank you.
almost exactly to the day, 2 years later. It's crazy.
Attorney Bradfield, City Attorney Rogers.
Hello,
Hey, good morning.
good morning. We have Mr. Terrell